Have you ever felt like you're doing the same tasks on your iPhone over and over again? Apple has a feature called Shortcuts, and today I'm going to show you one hidden shortcut that can save you time every single day. If you've never used the Shortcuts app before, don't worry. It's built into every modern iPhone and lets you automate tasks with just one tap. One of my favorite shortcuts is a simple Open My Essentials shortcut. Instead of opening multiple apps one by one every morning, you can create a shortcut that instantly opens the apps you use most. For example, Messages, Gmail, Notes, Calendar, and Weather. With one tap, your iPhone can open everything you need for the day. Here's how to create it. First, open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner, choose Add Action, and search for Open App. Select the first app you want. Then tap the plus button again and add another Open App action. Once you're done, give your shortcut a name, like Morning Apps or Daily Start. Now, every time you tap the shortcut, your favorite apps will open automatically. This can save time every day, especially if you use the same apps repeatedly. You can also add this shortcut directly to your home screen. Tap the Share button inside the shortcut settings, then choose Add to Home Screen. Now it works just like a normal app icon. You can create shortcuts for opening websites, sending messages, and controlling smart home devices. If you haven't tried Shortcuts yet, give it a chance. It might become one of the most useful features on your iPhone. If you want more iPhone tips, hidden features, and tech tricks, make sure to subscribe to Global Tech 10 so you don't miss the next video.